When she told me about Gurpreet, I was a little skeptical because my best friend was living in Houston at the time. And as y'all know, a couple years ago, everyone's world was turned upside down. And I'm like, are you sure that's gonna work? When I met Gurpreet, I knew that was going to work.
Gurpreet has a heart of gold. He will go above and beyond to help family, friends with anything that they need. As you can tell, between here and New York, there's gonna be a lot of people here, and that's all because of you, and you're a gem, my friend.
You're gonna hear a lot about how kind of a heart Gurpreet has, how he wears it on his sleeve, goes above and beyond, not only for friends and family, but just people that he just met. The man is truly a Renaissance man in probably every aspect of the word.
He made it a priority to get to know her friends and family, to be part of her life immediately, because he knew that she is fiercely loyal, that she loves deeply, and that her people are what truly matters to her. I can tell you that relationships and marriage is a lot of work, but I know that they will have a solid one because they have invested in each other and they have invested in getting to know what it is that they truly want to make a life for themselves.
Lots of love and happiness to both of you. You guys make an amazing couple. We look forward to seeing you guys grow over the next decades.
I have all the confidence in the world that with your love for each other and commitment for each other and your tribe here today, that you will be nothing but the happiest, and we wish you all the very best.